What's up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna be showing. I will be showing you what I have at Animal Company, like rare items and like that. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you. Okay. But first, to be safe, I'm gonna go on a private. Also, guys, I have a new fan code. That I go in. Go on the code PRO3. This is my new fan code. I'll be there every day to record videos. So yeah. What? How are people in this? Okay, I might have just guessed the code by accident, but it's gonna be my fan code. So I got like two lucky clover backpacks, nut shredders, two nut shredders, and this backpack is like full with golden revolvers, like shiny. This I don't want to put it out because it might be, so it's gonna like do this, like do that, and no, let's put that back here. What? Why can I not? Say what? I guess I'll just put another bag. Okay, put that here. Okay. This is one of my weapons, like that. And I got the egg launcher, a Galaxy time bomb. It's a Galaxy time bomb, yeah. And I have like that full of like big items. So this is like a pumpkin jack. Where's my big pumpkin jack? Like this is full of new items like clover, house key. These are two galaxies. Galaxy papers. Oh crap! But can I just do this fast? No. I'm just bring out my. I'm just gonna find my pumpkins. This is like a bag full of. This is a bag full of grapplers, heart guns, pumpkin jack. Wait, maybe this is it. Oh yeah, this is my big pumpkin jack. Okay. Wait, let me just take out two. So these are two ones. Oh yeah. And yeah, maybe this has like revolvers, rubies. This oh crap, okay. This is like a Galaxy tape. And that's my Galaxy rubber ducky. And yeah, these are like my pumpkin jacks. This is an apple. Like these are like OG items.
What is this?
And
Hello.
yeah, that's all I have. Like these are small. Yeah, like that. So that's all I have to show. Tablets. I might be giving away some. These, let me just take it out.
Bro, come back to spawn.
Yeah, these like a small one.
Come back to spawn.
And, wait, let me just bring this out. Oh, I have juice. I think these are the ones. Yeah, this is an OG backpack. This is like a large OG backpack. So I'm like, yeah, this is back. What? Yeah, this is the other one. Pretty heavy, if you ask me. Like full of the same OG items. Yeah, I might be doing a giveaway and like that.
Hi.
So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.